Good afternoon, students. Welcome you all in today's session, that is of Standard 8th. And we are going through the lesson number 9, that is app development. Yesterday, when I took your class, when we covered the introduction of apps, types of apps, in types of app, we covered that we have basically three types of apps. We can broadly classified into three types or three categories, you can say. Number one, desktop apps. Number two, web app. And number three, mobile app. In desktop app, I told you that these are the apps which we installed only once into the computer and there is no need of any internet connection. Second was web apps. Web apps always need a internet connection because one link is created into the laptop or mobile. Third was mobile app. In these kinds of app, again, we have both options. Some apps, when we installed with the help of internet, then we can use them offline also. Just like your camera app, editing app, these likes, right? Music app, we can use them without internet also. But some app, most of the apps are there which we need internet connection. So apps prepared for or developed for mobile phones are called mobile apps, right? After that, I told you I told you that some very important softwares which we can categorized according to the desktop app, web app, and mobile app. After that, classification of mobile apps we already covered, like native apps and hybrid apps. Native apps, in native apps, I told you that native apps are the apps which is developed or prepared specifically on the basis of specification of the mobile phone or any device. Just like camera quality, RAM, and ROM, internal storage, right? Then your graphics, your sound system, camera quality, everything is should be taken care when they develop the app. These kinds of apps are which are specially prepared or developed for a special mobile phones. These are those apps are called native apps, and they can create for different platform also, just like for Android and iOS, means for Apple mobiles, right? For Android we use uh, Play Store, and for Apple apps we use App Store. Okay, so hybrid app are the apps which are just like a mixture of it. Hybrid app, hybrid means mixture, right? So mixture what? The requirement of internet. These kinds of apps can use offline and online, right? So these are the hybrid app. Now we will start from use of common apps. Some points we discussed yesterday about the educational apps. I told you some name also, like Khan Academy, Byju's learning app, right? And EDX, Course Era are now available in web apps, right? So we can find both the versions of them, like PC version or mobile version. After that, social networking sites. This is very easy portion in which I told you that we have so many social networking apps in which we can connect with the people and share our thoughts and views, okay, on regular basis, and we can get other thought and views also. Next is like WhatsApp is a very famous social networking app. Again, Facebook is prepared for PC or desktop. After that, due to its popularity, it's converted and also introduced in mobile phones also. But nowadays it is so popular that every new mobile has pre-installed app like Facebook and WhatsApp. Next is Twitter. In Twitter, I told you that it is the another social networking sites which is used by uh, billions of people, right? Billions of people throughout the world. And when we send any message on Twitter, it is called a tweet. And a tweet in the initial stage, starting stage, it was permitted up to 140 characters. But due to the, you can say, due to the uh, maximum use of Twitter nowadays, because every celebrity and every player or every politician has Twitter account. So due to his popularity, Twitter permits us this 140 characters to 280 characters, right? So they upgrade the capacity of Twitter to do tweet, right? Other social networking sites are, as I told you, that Instagram, we all know about it, okay? After that, LinkedIn, this is for a network, and Reddit. Reddit app, I told you, in which you can write your own thoughts, your poems, your stories, and you can read others also, right? So entertainment app, Hotstar or a Prime TV type favorite TV serials, sports, you can see. Then Ghana app, it is also in entertainment app because we can listen so many songs, some songs free of cost. And if you want to download, then we have to purchase that particular app for 1 year or 2 year, what according to the plan, right? Next is, okay, let me enlarge. Next is finance app, finance banking and finance app. If you have a account in bank, then nowadays there is no need to go go in the bank and do your transactions. With the help of mobile app, you can do all these things. You can make payment, you can receive payment, everything you can do with your mobile phone and the banking and finance app. Money control, you can handle the stock exchange. If you are in the habit to purchase or sell the shares of any company, then you need these kinds of apps. Then e-commerce, I told you yesterday that e-commerce means to purchase or sell something, right? So when we do it with the help of apps, it is called e-commerce, just like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, and Shopclues, etc. Now, the basic program for which I am taking this class today, right? Before it, everything was revised, but now this is new topic for us, and it will be very much interesting. Now listen, downloading and installing an app from Google Play Store. We all know that this is nothing new. Click on Play Store and write the name, or you can click on mic button and you can tell the name of app to the mobile, and mobile will find some apps and will list it under it according to your requirement and according to the star values of any app you can install according to the requirement, right? In mobiles, this is the symbol of Play Store. When you click on it, it will open like this, and you can write or you can ask for any app. And it's so quite easy. When you click on it, it will show another page in which you will get a download button, and the downloading will start. And after some time, let me enlarge it. After some time, you will get this button, install, and when you click on it, the respective app will install. If it app is free of cost, then it will not ask anything. But if it is on paid version, it is a paid version, then you have to attach your debit card or credit card to give the money. Okay. Then up final, developing your own app. How we can develop our own app? This is the introduction part only in this your syllabus. But before it, we have to learn. What is it? Looking at the different apps available at Play Store in amazing experience, but it may give you the impression that it is very difficult to make your own app, but it is not so. Look, students, whenever you see any app, you uh, must be feel that you must feel that uh, this work is very tough. But my dear student, it is not so. ऐसा नहीं है. There are several sites which allow you to make your own app in very short time, but it is not paid. They are free of cost, and you can try to develop your app. Here we will discuss Android apps, but developing apps for other platform will have similar requirement. अब इस lesson के अंदर हमने क्या करना है? We are focusing only on Android apps, which you can develop in Android version phone, right? If you want to build an app from scratch and have control over the design, a sound background is programming will be very helpful, right? Like what he want to say? If you want to build an app from scratch, scratch is a software, right? We will also learn it and have control over the design. And if you are a good designer, a sound background is programming will be very helpful. Means whenever any app open, some sound also run with your mobile so that it never looks very dumb or bored. A sound is required before the app. To make an Android app, software such as Android Software Development Kit, Android SDK, this is the name. So Android Software Development Kit, SDK, is required. Knowledge of Java is needed since most APIs means application programming in interfaces use Java. Java is a language, beta. Java is a language, and in this language you can prepare any app. Okay. You may also need to learn XML, extensible markup language. It is the higher version of HTML, right? HTML is also in your syllabus this year. We will also learn that HTML and CSS for designing an app. CSS. After that, several IDEs, integrated development environment, are available, which greatly simplify the process of Android app development. The Android Studio from the Google is one such example. Many more apps or softwares are there which can provide you the facility or the way in which you can create your own app in very easy steps. No problem at all. Okay. So many IDs come with their emulators to preview the working of your app. Emulators means it's just like a preview. कि whenever you do something, you can check कि जो तुमने बनाया है वो ठीक भी है कि नहीं है, right? That is performed by emulators. But the final testing of app should be done on the different mobile device, right? Is it possible to develop a simple app without prior knowledge of programming? कहता है कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि you don't know anything about the programming and still you will able to develop a program? The answer is yes. इसका आंसर हाँ है. It is surprising, but it is yes. Many companies offer a user-friendly interface to develop Android app without any prior knowledge of programming. Some of these companies offer free services which may be limited in usefulness, while other offers premium services but for a fee. There are two ways to develop an app. कुछ companies ऐसी हैं which provide you free of cost steps in which you can develop your app, but these free of cost apps has some limited options. If you want to explore it more, then you have to give the money. Means they are only give you permission to prepare a very small app. If you want to develop a big app, then you have to pay, right? So there are two ways to develop an app. We have two ways. Number one, an Android app can be developed using web-based development software. Some of the websites which offer their app builder are AppBar at www.appsbar.com, Appify at http appify.com, AppYet app.com, appmaker.com. Many of these sites also offer the use of their app stores to prompt promote योर ऐप कि एक बार आप अपनी ऐप बना लोगे तो उसके बाद ये अपने आप उसको प्रमोट करने के लिए आपको जो रास्ता है, जो वे है, जो प्रोसेस है, दैट विल ऑल्सो गाइड यू by them, right? So let's move on the next page. These are the steps, my dear students, in which you can develop your own app and can show your friends that you have also an app. Use an app builder, make your own app to on your smartphone. As discussed earlier, you can find app for almost every need. Tap on the Google Play Store icon. The search box will be displayed along with the apps which are free app builder in the search box and click on the search button, right? Several app builders app will be listed. अगर आपको ढूंढना है कि कैसे आप बना सकते हो तो you can type in your Google Play Store that free app builder. You will get so many options. Then you can choose any one. We are going to use Appify to make a quiz app in it. Appify is a web-based app maker providing. It is web-based. Web-based means we can run on computer, not only on mobile. I told you web-based, providing various facility for quickly making your own app. With the help of Appify, we can create our own app, and we will do. Look very carefully. In addition to the basic pages and information for a simple app, Appify allows you to add pages, forms, social media links, login pages, and much more. These all you can perform. Ready-made templates for applications ranging from business, social, messenger, taxi service, restaurant, educational, hotels, etc. Make designing for your app very easy. Follow the given steps to make your first app. यहाँ से हम लोग अपनी फर्स्ट ऐप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो हमें क्या करना होगा, लिखना होगा appify.com. Let me open the internet connection side by side so that you can understand it very easily. www.appify.com. When we click on it, Appify, you can see the platform. Platform means screen. Appify. From here, what you want to do, website बनाना है, task automation, chatbot, graphics, live chat. We are going for mobile application and it is already selected. Just get started. Wait for it. Look, students, we will follow all the instructions. Get started button. Give an appropriate name for your app, that is quiz. Click on the next button. Okay. We will follow the same. Write quiz and next. Okay. What will become next? Now select a category from the option given below. For example, education. To view more categories, click on the view more buttons, category option. Click on next button. The format can be changed beta, because when this book is written or published, I think it was in 2019 and it is 2021. So the screen may be differ, no problem at all. So look here, education. This is education. When you click on education, some schemes are displayed. Schemes are displayed in front of you. From these schemes, you can choose any one. Choose a suitable design for your app from the various and title options. Let us say matrix, click on the next button. Okay. Suppose I am using this cheerful cherry, right? Now, which kind of phone you have? Suppose I have Android phone, then I have to click on Android. To test your app on your Android device, you must create an account first. First of all, we have to create. अब इसने ऐप को बनाना स्टार्ट किया. After that, we have to create one account. You can see preview of your work at any time on the right side of the window or by clicking on preview icon, for example, Android. Right? Now add pages into your app desired under the suggested tab. Click on quiz to insert a quiz page. Unwanted pages can be deleted here. Okay, let's move to the, if I move back, then let me see what I will get. This quiz, next, education, cheerful for Android. Now save and continue. Look student, sign up to test your app on a real device. Sign up now to test your app. First of all, we have to give any email ID, then we can use it. Suppose I am using ID TCS computer all at gmail.com, right? And I am typing the password which I have. Sign up. Okay, enter verification code. You have sent a email ID. Okay, one email ID is come, and we have to open that email ID. We have to go inside. Yes, I hope you are seeing that. Okay, student, time is very short, but I want to show you the verification code. We will repeat this point again in our next lecture because we have only 5 to 6 minutes, but I'm trying hard to cover this topic today. Look students, email is opening and we will get a verification code there. Look, AppyPie, this is the verification code. 597123. Go back to the where is the option? Here we have to put it here. What is it? 597123. 597123. I hope it is clear. Okay, students, from there you can design your app. Just like if you want to take this design, you will see the preview. Look, suppose this one, suppose we took this. Okay, now this type of app you will get. Color scheme we already gave. Text. Look, students, we need some time, 10 or 15 minutes. So I will continue this meeting in my next lecture, and we will start it again, because I hope strength is very less today, and it will take 15 minutes more. And we have only 3 minutes with us. So I'm going to take your attendance first. After that, if time permits us, then we will continue. Okay, students, I am ending this session here, and we will continue from the same place in our next class. Okay, stay at home, stay safe.